Hey you guys, I've got to tell you, I just found a new YouTuber you're going to love. Okay, so mamas, if you see my Instagram, I lost my son for about an hour and I couldn't find him. So to the point I had to have him called on the intercom, and his whole thing was like, Mom, I met this YouTuber and we got this 3D printing machine. Yeah, see, there he is back there. And I'm like, okay, let me go check this person out. I have a new YouTube channel you've got to be following. I'm gonna put all the information down at the bottom, and this is the man. So, and we were kind of having a good laugh. So you know, because as me as an engineer, of course we found another engineer here. We found a kid-friendly, being industrious, because he definitely creates industriousness in your kid. It's not a watch and consume in the next video, This man is getting your kids doing STEM without missing the engineering component. Because we were talking about that. Like,
totally.
Like how often it's like, oh, I'm doing STEM. It's like, but where's your engineer? Because that's the E in STEM.
Totally.
So tell them who you are.
So my name is Moultrie and the founder of RUMBLELAB. And RUMBLELAB, we're all about getting kids excited about making stuff. And yeah, so we're basically big kids, and then we travel around for our YouTube channel and help kids make stuff. And then we make these goofy videos that just help kids learn engineering on their level. And then we also have project kits where we send everything out, everything they need to make these things along with us. So yeah.
So I'm loving this. So the whole part that I'm gonna show off some of your stuff.
Okay.
So this is, of course, you don't have to hide, son, because this is where you've been. He's been like running the show for him. And so this is some of the video content that's going on. So I'm here before everybody's in here because there's no way we're gonna get in here. There's no way we can get to him. The kids are piled in here. Between doing these activities that Bubba's on, the 3D machine, see that, check that out. And of course, when I was trying to find him, I couldn't find him when I was looking for Bubba because I knew he was at the 3D machine. I kept asking the parents, and they're like, no, there's not a 3D machine here. I had to ask the kids. The kids were like, oh yeah, the 3D machine's like over that way. But what's cool, and I mean, you'll see it on the Instagram photo that we did. I mean, there's some there, you had to recalculate. Somebody had messed with your computer because they were making this lifesaver, right?
Yeah.
And somebody had messed with the computer and redid it, and so you had to go back and recalculate.
Yeah, the scale factor.
The scale factor, and then they moved on from that point, which is totally engineering. What you want to be doing in STEM is then moving on from that point and going, oh, well, let's not make that anymore because you figured out to put it on a pencil.
Yeah, it didn't work, but we were able to learn from our mistake and try again. And that's the kind of thing we want to communicate with our YouTube channel. These simple concepts like failure is okay, and how to learn from your mistakes and get better and better. So yeah.
Definitely cool. And so what's so cool, moms, he's got all these videos on here. You've definitely got to check it out. You want to get it, share the video, share the channel when you get to his channel, all down there. Follow on Instagram, and it's awesome because you can buy everything on Amazon. He's not going, you have to get my kit. But listen, for us moms that don't want to deal with that, you just buy the kit. Everything's in there.
We try and make it crazy simple.
So you definitely want to check it out. The really cool part is their Instagram. When the kids are making these projects, you want to go ahead and post them on Instagram, tag him, because he's so funny. He's just got this amazing community with the kids. And I'm going to tell you, the kids love him. And you get in here, he's in here playing with all of them and just really building an amazing community with these kids, building stuff and just coming up with new things. I mean, you can't keep the kids out of here, baby.
You're awesome, Trish. Thank you.
Oh,
That's really
no,
kind.
but seriously, this is one mom to the moms. Like, we know what we want, and we know what we want to have our kids available to. And so when I met you, I was just like, we got a good thing here. So definitely go check out his channel. Go make sure you're subscribing. Hit that little bell when you get there, and go grab him on Instagram. We got all the information below. We're going to see you later.
Thank you so much. Oh, and show our videos to your kids.
Yes, definitely.